You ask AI something simple and it gives you a vague, useless answer. And you start thinking, maybe this AI is not that good. But here is the truth, the problem is not the AI, it's your prompt. By the end of this video, you will understand why your current prompts are not working, how to fix them using a simple structure, and how to apply this directly in Spring AI. In the previous videos, we saw how to interact with AI using Spring AI. If you have not watched the previous video, check the link in the description below. But one important question remains, what exactly are we sending to the AI? When I say AI, I am referring to the LLM, the large language model working behind the scenes, whether it's OpenAI, Gemini, Olama, and that's what actually processes our requests. Now, is it just a string or is it something more structured? What we are actually sending is called a prompt. What is a prompt? A prompt is simply the instruction you give it to the AI, but most people treat it like a casual question instead of a precise instruction. Think of AI like a very smart intern. If you say do something, you will get average work. But if you give clear instruction, you will get exactly what you want. Let me prove this to you. Let me show you this with a quick live example with the help of ChatGPT. On one side, I'll just write explain threads, right? On on the other side, I'll give a clear instruction. Explain threads in Java with a real world example in simple terms. Now look at the difference. On this side, the answer is vague, generic, and not very helpful, right? So even you can see the example of a Python code, right? On this side, the AI explains it clearly with example, structure, and more depth. Let's understand how to write a good prompt. A good prompt is not random. It actually follows a simple structure, right? So prompt is the sum of role plus task plus context plus format, right? Let's break this down, right? Role means who should the AI behave like? For example, a Java expert, a teacher, or an interviewer, right? Task is simply what you want the AI to do. Example something, write code, debug code, anything. Context means extra details to guide the AI, like for beginners, for interview preparation, or using real world example. Format means how you want the output with code, step by step explanation, bullet point, right? Individually, these are simple, but when you combine them, you get a powerful prompt, right? For example, you can give a prompt, you are a Java expert, explain, wait, and notify for beginners using real world example and provide code, right? So you are a Java expert. It's a role, right? You are saying I you are saying to the LLM, you are a Java expert, right? Then the task you are giving is explain, wait, and notify, right? And what is the context? It's for beginners using real world example, right? And what format you are expecting? So you are expecting provide a code, right? So you are saying provide me a code. Now you can see this is not just a sentence, it's a structure instruction. Now let's discuss the code part. I have already explained this flow, the whole flow of Spring AI in detail in the previous video. So I'll keep this quick, right? Here we are creating a prompt. Here we are creating a prompt using Chat Client, and what problem Chat Client is solving, I have already explained in the first two videos of this series, right? Then in the next step, we are taking the input, we are sending to the LLM, right? And then this call method invokes the API call to LLM. Behind the scene, it invokes the API call to the LLM, and then this content gives us the final response. Run this code in your system and then invoke the API call via Postman or any REST client, right? Then I have given the same prompt, right, which I have explained. You are a Java expert, explain, wait, and notify for beginners with real world example and provide code, right? So when I have given this prompt, I get this output, right? So you can see detailed explanation and then the Java code, right? Right? So, but this is the simplest form. In reality, LLMs don't just work with a single string, they work with structured message types. In the next video, we will explore message types and how they actually shape the way AI responds. If this video added value, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more.